A colleague of mine recently asked, what is the unit measure equivalent of a shart? That got me thinking. What is a shart? What makes a shit fart more of a shart than another? I had many questions. The first of which, you might have already guessed, what percent of shit makes up a shart? Do we simply measure the mass of shit to compare the sharts? While this is an interesting hypothesis, I will have to disagree. You see, it is not about how much shit there is. It is also about the quality when compared to the fart. You see, if the shit's quality is terrible, it may not fall into the categorization of being a shart. At that point, it will fall into the species of Shariticus. To truly measure out the shart, we must first measure and datify the amount of good quality shit when compared to fart. If you had a massive fart, but only a few amount of sharticles in proportion, I would hypothesize that it is less of a shart. This allows us to create the equation of the shart level. This formulates itself by mass of shit divided by volume of gas. And yet, the equation does not feel complete. When you think of a colossal shart, it's not just shit and gas emissions coming from your rectum. The sound coming from your rectum plays an incredibly important part in all of this. And so I say it is the noise that completes a full-blown shit fart. So I decided that the equation should reflect this. I will note that my team has reduced the effect of noise into the equation so that stress is still put upon the shit to fart ratio. This brings us to the finished product, something I would like to dub the Shart Equation. The Shart Equation is SHT shart equals milligrams shit squared divided by milliliters fart squared plus the decibels produced at peak emission. I would dare say this is the most accurate calculation of a shart that we have currently within the scientific community. Still, I would love to hear your hypotheses and research, and I thank you for your time.